Hi, I am Hardik Nayak from Engineering Guru 2020 YouTube channel. At the end of this video, you will learn use of set squares. This video will be very useful for how to construct an angle by using set square. Angle that can measure 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree and 105 degree can be drawn by using the pair of set square. A set square is geometrical instrument, triangle in shape and made of plastic. There are two types of set square. One in the shape of isosceles right angle triangle and the other one is in the shape of scalene right angle triangle. One of pair of set square is geometry box has angle measuring 90, 45 and 45 degree and has equal side with the angle containing 90 degree, while the other has angle measuring 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree and has unequal sides. Measuring 45 degree can be drawn using first set square, while measuring 30 degree and 60 degree can be drawn using the other one. Angle measuring 75 degree and 105 degree have to be drawn using both the set square together. Let's see the construction of some angle using set square. Step of construction of 30 degree. Step 1. To draw an angle 30 degree, place the set square with the 30 degree angle at the point 0 as shown. Then draw horizontal line, that is OA, starting from the vertex measuring from 30 degree. Step 2. Now draw line OB along the other edge of set square starting from O such that the angle AOB is equal to 30 degree. Step of construction of angle 45 degree. Step 1. To construct an 45 degree, place a set square with 45 degree angle at point O, then draw horizontal line OA starting from vertex. Step 2. After this, line OB along the edge of set square starting from point O so obtained is measured 45 degree. Step of construction of an angle 60 degree. Step 1. To construct an angle 60 degree, use the 30 degree set square that used earlier to draw an angle. Place the set square with 60 degree angle on vertex O. Draw horizontal line OA starting from vertex. Step 2. Now draw line OB along the other edge of the set square starting from point O. The angle so obtained of measure 60 degree. Step of construction of an angle 75 degree. Step 1. To construct an angle 75 degree, use both the set square in combination of 30 degree plus 45 degree equal to 75 degree. Step 2. As there are two angles, that is 45 on 45 degree set square, it can be placed in two different way. So line BC can be drawn starting from the vertex B measuring 45 degree as shown. Step 3. Now place 30 degree set square adjust to the 45 set square as shown on the screen. Step 4. Now line AB along the other edge of the 30 degree set square, that is not touching 45 degree set square, starting from point B at the angle obtained is measured 75 degree. Step of construction of an angle 90 degree. Step 1. As both the set square have 90 degree angles, either of them can be used to construct an angle of 90 degree. Step 2. Place 30 degree set square or 45 degree set square. Draw horizontal line OA starting from vertex measuring 90 degree. Step 3. Line OB along the other edge of the set square starting from point O. The angle obtained is 90 degree. The same procedure can be repeated with other set square. Step of construction of an angle 105 degree. Step 1. To construct an angle 105 degree, use both the set square in combination as 60 plus 45 degree equal to 105 degree. Step 2. There are two angles 45 degree in a 45 degree set square, so it can be placed in two different way. Now place 60 degree set square adjacent to 45 degree set square such that its 60 degree vertex coincides with point B as shown on the screen. After this, draw a line BA along the edge of 60 degree set square that is not touching on the 45 degree set square. Starting from point B and the angle obtained of measure 105 degree. Set the T-square as before in combination with set square. Draw a line at 30 degree, then flip the set square around to draw 30 degree line in the opposite direction. Set the T-square as before and in combination with set square, draw a line at 60 degree and then flip the set square round to draw 60 degree line in opposite direction. Set the T-square as before in combination with set square. Draw a number of lines at 90 degree. At the end, if you find my video helpful, you can like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.